IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Indasarmanan ni Konsal Jason Badar Pereira tinaginad nga panay kabil ti speed humps iti Panganiban Street nga agbalbal nga accident front area dito Siyudad Tilawag. Kuna ni Konsal Pereira, idi pala ang bulan ti Mayo nga kinidono daytoy kalpasan ni Ram ti disgrasya ngem agpapanita ket aung ti aksyon ti city government. Maalarma ti konsehal agsibot sa runon dito ti disgrasya iti nadakamat nga lugar.
So again, Mr. Chair, I would like to reiterate the executive branch to implement as soon as possible the installation, Mr. Chair, because when we called this last May, Mr. Chair, although there was a promise that they are going to install it, but it's already August, Mr. Chair, and there were again so many accidents that we were able to assist, Mr. Chair, for the past several weeks alone, Mr. Chair. It's really an accident-prone area.
Itibiyang ti PNP Traffic Division, gabut sa nga panaobserbar ti traffic signboard, iti paalaan ti disgrasya.
The basic rule for the local government unit, Mr. Chair, is to ensure that all our roads are roadworthy, Mr. Chair, or it should be safe for passage by our motorists.
Ngem agpapan ita, aung pasungbat iti maseknan ti nagbaling nga privilege speech ti Konsal Pereira iti konseho. Idol Dennis Alipio, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.